Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to record a video call on Facebook Messenger using your phone's screen recording feature. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll land on the homepage where you can see posts from friends and pages. Tap the Messenger icon in the top right corner. This will take you to Facebook Messenger, where you can view all your conversations. Select the chat with the person you want to video call. Now tap the video call icon in the top right corner to start a video call with them. Once you're on the video call screen, you can mute or turn on the speaker using the bottom panel controls. Here's how to record the call. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the control center. Look for the screen recording button. It usually looks like a solid circle with a ring around it. Tap the screen recording button and your Facebook video call will now be recorded. The recording captures everything on your screen, including audio. When you're done recording, swipe down again and tap the screen recording button to stop. To end the video call, tap the red call button at the bottom. And that's it. Your Facebook video call is now recorded and saved to your phone's gallery. This works for recording Messenger video calls, conference calls, and group video chats. If this tutorial helped you record Facebook calls, don't forget to like and subscribe.